Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting each dart hole and surrounding drywall. You want to know depth and if paper is torn. Once done, remove loose plaster with a putty knife so filler bonds. Make sure to clear dust with a damp cloth and let dry before filling. You should work on the largest hole first so you understand material behavior. This helps you choose a thin layer technique for small holes and a patch for larger ones. You apply spackle in firm strokes, pressing into the hole to remove air pockets. This is why multiple thin passes beat one thick application. Once filled, feather the compound at least 1/2 inch beyond the repair so it transitions smoothly to the wall. After drying, sand with 120 grit to shape, then 220 grit for finish. Dust removal between steps matters because leftover dust prevents paint adhesion. If the hole was deep, repeat thin fills and sanding until flush. You prime the repaired spot to seal the compound. This ensures paint tone and sheen match. Once the primer is dry, apply 2 light coats of matching paint, blending outward to avoid a halo effect. Make sure to use the same sheen as the surrounding wall for an invisible fix. If the patch sinks or shows pinholes after painting, let it fully cure, then reapply a thin spackle pass, sand smooth, reprime, and repaint. This corrects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.